Hey everyone, Extreme Crypto here. Today we'll be looking at Binance and Bitcoin, ways to increase your crypto online safely. We have 3 different opportunities or options you can look at. But before we get to that, make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and smash that like button so we can keep on growing the crypto adoption. Now let's get to Binance and look at our opportunities. Binance has quite a few opportunities you can look at, but we'll look at 2 directly from Binance and 1 more other opportunity. Binance has an earn option, and we'll be looking at the Binance Earn one-stop investment solutions. But to make it easy, we're not going to go this route. We're going to go to Wallet and click on Fiat and Spot. So it opens your wallet, showing you directly all the different coins you have available. When it opens the coins, you can search for a coin. For example, we're looking at Bitcoin today. And when you look at your coin, all the way to the right, there's a buy option, a deposit option, a withdraw option, a trade option, and an earn option. Now, this earn option is the Binance Earn option. If you click on it, it gives you 3 different opportunities. Now, we'll be looking at 2 of these. The first one is flexible savings we'll be looking at, and then we'll look at the fixed savings. Now, if you click on flexible savings, it immediately takes you to the page where you can send your Bitcoin straight to the earn option. Looking at the flexible savings, you can earn up to 5% APY according to the tier you're in. Another benefit, or the main benefit, is not the 5% APY. It's the fact that the flexible savings option is redeemable, meaning your funds is available at all time. I can get into it now, and I can decide in an hour I don't like it, and I can get out of it immediately. My funds will go straight back to my Fiat and Spot wallet, and it's available. Another great thing is it has an auto transfer option, meaning each day when you get profits, it goes to your Fiat and Spot wallet. If your auto transfer is ticked, all that's going to happen is it will automatically transfer it back to your flexible savings, meaning you're compounding without doing anything. If we look at this and we put in X amount of BTC, it shows you how much BTC you'll be earning daily and which tier you're falling. And you gotta remember, flexible savings timeline, flexible savings product subscriptions or redemptions are closed during 10 to 12 and 10 past 12 UTC daily. No interest is accumulated on products purchased on the day of the subscription. Interest is calculated the next day. So basically you need to give it around about 24 hours before you'll see profits. Now, I'll put some Bitcoin over to give you an idea how it works. As you've seen, I've just sent some Bitcoin to my earn. Now, where do I find it? It's easy. You go back to wallet and you just go to your earn wallet. The moment you click on your earn wallet, it will immediately open and it will show all your crypto that you've put in your earn wallet. Here is the auto transfer. The available balance of your spot wallet will be used daily at 2 and 8 UTC to subscribe flexible savings. So if you tick this, it automatically transfers your profits back to your flexible wallet. And this way you compound and you can keep on growing. If you're done with the option and you don't like it anymore, all you can do is go to the right hand side, click on redeem, you put in the amount. I'm taking back the amount I've sent. I'm telling them fast redemption, read and confirm. And the moment I click the confirm button now, my funds will go straight to my Fiat and Spot wallet. Redeem is in progress. If I refresh the page, you'll see my BTC is out of my flexible savings account and it's back to my fiat and spot wallet. Now let's go back to fiat and spot wallet and let's look at our second option. Our second option is the fixed savings option. Now if you click on that, it will immediately open the locked savings where your fixed crypto will be locked in. Now we're looking at Bitcoin. If we go to Bitcoin, we can see Bitcoin, we're getting 7% APY. It's 2% more than a flexible savings account, but your funds is locked in for 90 days. That means your interest will go to your wallet, but the funds you've used is locked in for 90 days and is not redeemable without a penalty. As you can see, it's sold out. So they just take a certain amount of crypto for each period of time. Let's check it out anyway. As you can see, they're saying it's sold out. I won't be able to put a lot in, but their lot sizes is 0.01 Bitcoin. Interest per lot, meaning per 0.01, you'll earn 0.001726 BTC, 7% annualized. Individual max is 33 lots. So that's a maximum of 0.33 Bitcoin we can put in. Currently, this one is closed or sold out. So we need for it to finish up the 90 days and then you'll be able to get into it. You can automatically renew with flexible savings, which I won't do because I like to be in control and not forget on when what is happening. So the two options we have on Binance directly is the flexible savings and the fixed savings. Now to talk about the third option. The third option is Librarium Crypto. Librarium Crypto is a crypto trading execution site where users get the benefit and freedom of social trading. We are building the initial group of affiliates to help us grow a massive user base. All you need is a referral code and then you can build your group of affiliates. The target is to have 2 million users by end of 2022. Now, what is Librarium Crypto? Our service offers includes two packages, a crypto trading signals platform as well as a complete automatic trade execution platform with real traders. The automatic trades are processed with trades credits and not on a specific time frame, like a monthly subscription. This allows the trades to happen naturally in the market. If the market is flat, you are not wasting time on a monthly subscription. So how Librarium Crypto works is you connect your Binance account via API keys to the Librarium Crypto opportunity. You choose a trader which you like to follow, and every time this trader puts in a trade, the trade gets mirrored at your side. Every time the trader closes a trade, the trade gets closed on your side, unless you've decided there's enough profit, you took profit and didn't wait for the trader to close the trade. You even have the opportunity to close trades if the market is falling, because a lot of traders doesn't close spot trades, they're willing to wait. But the benefit of Librarium Crypto is the opportunity to increase your crypto by using professional traders. The second thing is your funds is safe because your funds stays in your exchange. There's no way for them to get access to your account due to the fact you're using API keys and you're just giving them certain permissions. So this is the three options we have where you can increase your crypto naturally. But let's have a recap. The first one is flexible savings, 5% APY. You can redeem your crypto at any time and it has the option of auto compound. The second option we're looking at is the fixed savings option, 7% APY, but your funds are locked in and it's currently sold out. So we need for it to open again to give us a 90-day opportunity to increase our Bitcoin Satoshis. The third option is Librarium Crypto. First of all, your percentage return monthly will fluctuate depending on the markets and the trades that comes in. You might see a zero return with no losses, only D values, and you might see a 30 to 40% return depending on the market going and take profits getting hit. The benefit is your funds is also available at any time. The only difference is your funds or crypto might be in different coins than in Bitcoin, because we're using Bitcoin as a base currency to buy different coins. And as these coins increase in value, we're selling it back to Bitcoin to increase your Bitcoin. So worst case scenario, if the markets do go the wrong way, your fiat will devalue, but you'll gain an asset. This is the free opportunities that's currently available to increase your Bitcoin. The links will be down below. Leave me your comments and concerns and have a great one.